Did you know that sesame seeds, those tiny specks you often see adorning your burger buns or sushi rolls, are a powerhouse of nutrition? Yes, they certainly are. They come packed with a host of essential vitamins and minerals that are vital for your well-being. Take calcium, for instance, a mineral renowned for its role in bone health. Sesame seeds are an excellent source of this nutrient. Regular consumption of these seeds can contribute to the maintenance of bone density, warding off conditions like osteoporosis that become more prevalent as we age. But the goodness of sesame seeds doesn't stop there. They are also rich in magnesium, another mineral that plays a significant role in many bodily functions. It contributes to muscle and nerve function, regulates blood sugar levels, and even aids in the production of DNA. Iron is another nutrient found in abundance in sesame seeds. It's essential for the production of red blood cells and the transportation of oxygen throughout the body. An iron deficiency can lead to anemia, which is why incorporating iron-rich foods like sesame seeds into your diet is crucial. Phosphorus, too, is plentiful in sesame seeds. This mineral works in tandem with calcium to help build strong bones and teeth. Additionally, it aids in the body's utilization of carbohydrates and fats and is needed for the body to produce protein for the growth, maintenance, and repair of cells and tissues. To summarize, sesame seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. They are a fantastic source of calcium, magnesium, iron, and phosphorus, contributing to strong bones, proper muscle and nerve function, regulated blood sugar levels, and overall cellular health. So the next time you see these tiny seeds, remember the enormous health benefits they carry. Incorporate them into your diet and your body will thank you. Remember, good health starts from the inside out, and sesame seeds are a perfect example of this.